As we have went through this very drastic disease like corona and all, so the person who were fit, they have come across this. Thank you very much.
All right, please welcome Miss Sai over here with a round of applause.
To barber training, not like you guys who are into aesthetics, but say fitness is something that I won't say that you got to do only this to be fit. Just keep moving. Moving is important. Okay, whatever makes you feel happy, either into strength training or what these guys do into aesthetic training, Zumba, Pilates, anything, but just keep moving. Your body is like a car, right? So if you don't use it, you get rust, even if it's a BMW, right?
Who is also investment, advisor. I'd like to request Mr. Shravan to please come with a round of applause.
I'm Shravan Sheriala. I'm working as a operations head for a US-based company called Complaints Group, so which is into the pharma and medical device industry regulatory services. And we are also having an IT division as well under the same company. As well as we are into investing into the real estate properties and ventures, as well as some healthcare, as well as into the educational business initiatives as well. Okay, so we have connected with a couple of venture capitalist funding companies from UK as well as Dubai. So we are encouraging the startups as well as the established business entities here in Hyderabad especially. So real estate, healthcare and edutech companies are our priority. So I really thank Zia to have given me this opportunity to you all. Okay. Yeah, one last word, fitness is always a very first priority should be in our life. But as you know, always we say that we don't have time, we don't have. At least Corona has started some lessons for us to be fit and take care of our health well. Okay. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Aman. I'm actually into business and actor. I work in Telugu and Hindi movies. Also I'm in import export business. We import from Afghanistan dry fruits. As you know, nowadays dry fruits in demand. Thank you so much, Java, for giving the opportunity.
Thank you very much.
Good evening guys, this is Kavita Mahato here and I am senior model of Hyderabad. Before this I was air crew working for Airlines SpiceJet. Before that I am a scientist and I am happy to be here and meeting you all of your business meet and thank you Zia to, where is he? Okay. Thank you Zia to inviting me here and making me meet lot of people who are in this business meet and yeah, I would like to work. Anyone wants to join me, they can join. But I don't think so I can walk because this floor is not good. Thank you.
A lot of friends of mine were out of business. They lost their job. No support from the government, no support from the corporates because they only sponsor and help cricket. Most. Alright. This event is not just to promote fitness for all of us, but also to support fitness fraternity. When we started this event, we saw a lot of youth of ours need corporate support. It takes a lot of money to eat those eggs and chicken in morning workouts. Alright friends?
Yes.
Yes. You're dreaming about something. Chicken. You can take her number. I won't stop you. She's already done. Okay. So this is all about fitness. 2 minutes, our boys will come here and give their presentation. This is not about bodybuilding, this is about fitness. Presentability, aesthetics and attitude. 3 things. Our judges will select them. but we'll also have you giving them a point. Okay? Loud.
क्योंकि दिल की बात हिंदी में बोल सकते, इंग्लिश में नहीं होता।
किसी भी लैंग्वेज में चलती
मैं सबसे पहले ज़िया सर का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि मैं हैदराबाद में ही पैदा हुआ, यहीं बड़ा हुआ, मगर ऐसी प्लेस पे फर्स्ट टाइम इंटर, क्योंकि हम लोग एकदम मिडिल क्लास लोगों का ये ख्वाबिश रहता था। जैसे आइल खान आया उसके पोस्ट पे, संग्राम चोगले सर आए उसके पोस्ट देते, हम लोग आप पोस्ट आने के ज़िंदगी गुजार लेते।
नहीं, आप अपने मेहनत से आज यहाँ पे आए हो। ओके, दैट्स योर हार्ड वर्क।
ज़िया सर की मेहरबानी है सर। और उसके अलावा जो है, अगर ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी ऐसा मिडिल क्लास बच्चों को जिनमें कुछ जुनून है, शूर है, अगर इनको दी जाए तो डेफिनेटली 2 साल में अगला साहिल खान हैदराबाद से, अगला संग्राम चोगले हैदराबाद से आने के चांसेस हैं। बस ये अपॉर्चुनिटी कोई देता नहीं, सब खींचने में पड़े। और तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट बॉडी बिल्डिंग को ज़ीरो देख, मैं मेरे कंपटीशन में कॉर्पोरेटर कर गया 300 डाइट। अगर कंपटीशन का प्रिपरेशन नॉर्मल डेज ये बल्किंग में 400 रुपीज़ डाइट। अब चिकन सस्ता होगा 150 रुपये में, अब जान की फिक्र नहीं करके चिकन खा लेना पड़ रहा, बगैर चिकन खाए नहीं रह सकते। क्योंकि अगर बॉडी होना है तो जाना है, मरना है या नाम कमाना है, क्योंकि नाम मिडिल क्लास बच्चा ही कमा सकता है, अमीरों को ये शूर नहीं रहता। सर बोले मेरे को कंपटीशन है, तो मैं 4 दिन से पानी रोक के ऐप्स बनाया, क्योंकि मेरे को बल्किंग में हूँ मैं फ़िलहाल, वेट गेनिंग में आई थिंक यू नो सर ऐप्स नहीं रहते, तो मैं 4 दिन से पानी रोक के ये प्रिपरेशन चल रहा सर कंपटीशन का। 20 से मेरा प्रिपरेशन है, तो जब कटिंग आता मार्च में कंपटीशन है, तो ये बल्किंग में काप्स ज़्यादा लोड करता हूँ मैं। 4 दिन से काप्स कम करके सिर्फ प्रोटीन पे हूँ।
want to tell big thank you to Mr. Ziad. The reason why he has organized such a great event, you know, and the lucky winner you can see, his name is Mr. Arman. Arman has got a great dream, and you know we have to say a big thank you to Mr. Ziad. The reason I am saying is that you know this King of Fitness, you know what he has been organized has been successful. There were 4 models, and you know they've got best of the best competition they have done, and obviously there is only one winner, and the winner is here, and the person you know he has done so hard work. You know, I want to talk to him for a few minutes, but before that I want to say that one person from where are you? You're from? Please tell Turkmenistan, and you're from Kashmir, and you're from Telangana, and you're from Hyderabad. So what I'm trying to tell you is the best of the best models have come. They've exhibited the show, and obviously there is a one winner, and obviously you know there were a tough competition, and luckily he has overshadowed everyone, and he is the winner. What I want is, since we are in the camera, I request Mr. Zia to tell a few words. After that, I will tell Mr. Winner to say something. Zia bhai, I would like to say
First of all, would like to thank, please Mr. Rahman. First of all, would like to thank a very impressive gentleman, Mr. Fahim. 20,000 people he has trained all over the world. He's making India proud. I'm really happy to see you here. We started this event to promote fitness, and I'm really amazed by the energy of these young people. Sufyan, Zubair, Dostov, and then our winner, Mr. Arman. May God bless them all. They have done fantastic work today, and I would like to congratulate them and not to give up hope. Work hard. I want to request the government of Telangana, give subsidies to gyms, give subsidy to all the bodybuilders. They are the pride of our state. If we don't look good, what's the point of saying great Telangana? Alright? So I think every bodybuilder from Telangana should get free coaching. Those who cannot afford, I'm talking about, you know, and they should get subsidy, scholarship in colleges so that they can concentrate on their body. Thank you very much. Thank you.
कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप? Yes, हमारे बीच Arman.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक्स टू जिया सर एंड एवरीवन. बस ये एक ड्रीम है, और इंशाल्लाह ये अभी शुरुआत है. अगर ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती गई हम जैसे यंगस्टर को, जो जुनून रखते, जो शुरू रखते, तो बहुत आगे जाता. हैदराबाद बहुत नाम कमाता. बस टांग खींचने के बजाय हाथ बढ़ा लो. हम लोग हमेशा आपका नाम रोशन करेंगे इंशाल्लाह.
Sure, Arman. We wish you all the best, and definitely you know those contestants यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, definitely you know वो अपना काफ़ी efforts करे हैं. Definitely एक winner होता है, तो ये थे हमारे winner. सुफियान आप देख सकते हैं माशाल्लाह. ये देखिए हमारे भाई हैं जो कश्मीर से आए हैं, but he is doing excellent. He has come all the way from Turkmenistan, और highly appreciated. You know. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Hello. Good evening, everyone. It's a privilege and honor to welcome, you know, it's indeed a privilege, Ms. Sara Khan. She's an advocate, you know, since you're here, we are from 99 TV Urdu. What I would like to request you is, since you're here, if you can tell a few things, how, you know, what is Sara?
So it is a Urdu channel. So shall I tell in Hindi or
माशाल्लाह आप
in
जो चाहे
English?
बोल सकते हैं. We'll be very happy.
So my Urdu is not that very great. So
कोई
I'll
बात
mix
नहीं.
and match and
चलेगा
whatever.
चलेगा बिल्कुल चलेगा.
So advocate, like I will talk about myself. So I am advocate with the High Court practicing. Plus I have lot of other things which I'm coming up with. But if you want to talk about only about law, then you have to tell me what you want to know about it. Because this law is a very vast subject. It just go on and on. I can talk on law for 3 days continuously. So what you want to know? I am specialized in a woman.
Okay.
So my basically thing is specialized only with the women, divorces, matrimonial things, plus land litigations. So something with that, if there is something I can always help. So
Only-
any woman is there, or I'm coming up with a channel also right now, a YouTube channel. So because of the COVID, we have gone little digital. We lawyers have gone little digital rather than going to court, and I'm now coming up with my channel, which will only specify and tell about the women's oriented and the children oriented, because I am also a Telangana Vice President with the Human Right of Children and Women. So whatever the things are, I will always, it will be there on my channel, so you can.
Fantastic.
I'll give you my channel name.
Well, only thing what I want, since you're here, you know, what I want, if a girl, you know, if you are a role model for her, if she wants to be Sara Khan, you know, be a lawyer, be an advocate, what step she has to do? Like what she has to be? She has to graduate, and if she loves the subject, that's fine enough.
Yeah, no, see, studying law is very easy. I will not say it's a very difficult thing for anyone. So today, in today's scenario, law is very easy. It's 5-year course after the 10th, 12th, and 3-year course after the what you call it, college. So if you want to study, but basically actual things start when you start practicing. So study is not very difficult. Anybody can clear law. It's not very difficult and it's very reasonable also. The fee structure is also provided by especially for the women and the girls. The fee structure is less so that they can be a lawyer. But practicing is something which takes a back step. For a lot of girl lawyers, they don't practice. They are either opt for a corporate or they sit at home. I don't know why, but practicing is something which you have to do, and it is a challenging one.
The best thing what she had confirmed is, obviously, doing, I mean, if you just be a lawyer, that's fair enough. But if you execute, if you do into practice, then only you're going to be successful. That's what's very nice of her. In fact, here we have come here. I mean, luckily we met her, so I thought, like, ma'am, just give some time. And she's so humble, and she told, okay, fair enough, I'm ready to tell. That's very nice of you. And by this, I just want to say a big thank you. Thank you for your time. And definitely, if you call in future, we want some support because we have a lot of viewers that would love to listen to you. Thank you very much. Indeed, it's a privilege.
Details and everything, please go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Everyone, today it's a privilege and honor to welcome a young model, Kavita. I would like to ask you a few things. What is Kavita all about? So dashing, so gorgeous. Please tell something to our channel.
Okay, so Kavita is, in English it's poem. Kavita. So about me is, I was an air crew and before that I'm a scientist student. So if you want to know about me, you can write a book like a poem about me. I have a lot of things to share with you. I'm ready to answer for all of your questions. Please ask.
The first question is, scientist Kavita, tell something about scientists. If someone wants to be like you, if a young girl she graduated and she says that yes, I want to be like Kavita.
Yes, then I would love to take motivation speech from me, and I'm a model and I'm an actor, Tollywood actor. I work, before this I was an air crew and scientist and like knowing about the advanced knowledge, about everything. So me was like, when I was in air crew, I was about to know the more and more how this universe works, how this world works. So in this I have researched, then this scientific took me in modeling thing. And now I'm a great model. I work as a celebrity showstopper from out of this Hyderabad.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I would request you all to join us for the coffee now.
Thank you very much. I mean, since we are running short of time, but I'm quite delighted because she took out her time and she has spoken all about that. Now, what I want, Kavita, is definitely because, a lot of girls want to be scientists, and, they have a dream. I want you to give some time, probably not now, maybe some other time. Thank you very much for your time. Privilege and honor.
Thank you so much.
Today, I just want to tell you, it's an honor. It's a privilege too. The reason why I'm talking is, I'm standing with next to the richest person in Hyderabad, Prince Ronak Yar Khan. Please, आप बताइए हमारे viewers को कौन Ronak Yar Khan है?
Anyway, land-wise, I'm supposed to be very rich, but I'm not exactly rich in terms of cash. So I'm just trying to make that correction. I don't want to get raided by income tax or something. So anyway, I belong to my ancestors were the Nizams, part of my ancestry. And the rest of them were Paigas, which are again related to them through marriage. And I've always been on Zia's program. They're fantastic. He always tries to promote business and mixes it with a lot of fun. Now he also injected some bodybuilding competition in there, which makes it very exciting. So and he does a lot of good job trying to promote various products and all that, and he makes it happening. It's always fun and nice to be with him. So I'm glad I'm here. I was a guest of honor today. I had to give out an award, but I came a bit late. And, but I still awarded someone, the winner of the bodybuilding competition. So I'm going back to a kite festival happening at my place, which is called, people call it Bhoot Bangla, but I call it High. It's the highest place in Hyderabad created by me. I built a hill in Jubilee Hills. So it's the tallest place now in Hyderabad. There's a kite festival going on. So I took out half an hour time to come here. And I'll be going back there again because all my friends are waiting there.
It's
I do the kite festival because it's a traditional Indian festival and it brings different communities together.
Fantastic.
So I've been celebrating Holi there for the last 30-40 years, and now it's like I'm going to celebrate all the festivals, including the kite festival to Holi to all the other fun festivals.
Fantastic. That's how.
Except for cards. Except for cards. This is like Diwali.
Fantastic. I'll tell you one thing. It's a real. Understand the word humble. The person who has the pinnacle of success, pinnacle of happiness, but still he's so humble. As you know, he can see, when I asked you, sir, you're the richest man, he's so humble. He said, yes, I'm thankful to everyone, but the fact is that, I'm just rich with the land, something like that. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Indeed, it's a privilege and honor.
I'm sorry I interrupted you because I'm not good at talking. So if I can talk, I like to say whatever I can as fast as possible before I get mixed up.
Absolutely, no problem.
Sorry.
It's a privilege. You can see the humbleness. This is how we should learn. A person who, with this stature, with this class and caliber, he's saying, maybe I have done something. Sorry for that. That's how we have to learn, and we are very happy and glad. Thank you very much, sir. Indeed, it's a privilege and honor.
Thank you, sir.